We get new leaks of the Moto RAZR Foldable, and they hint that this might be the final design. It looks like the Honor 20 is going to look a lot more like another really awesome flagship, and Samsung may be launching a gaming service that will look like Apple Arcade, hopefully soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and look, the face of jet lag is sort of gone. Still got more to do. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the geniuses over at Wix. The official news today begin with deals. Isn't it surprising that there have been a ton of Apple deals all over the last couple of months? Amazon right now has the brand new MacBook Air, the entry-level variant, which I consider to be too overpriced at $1,200. Yeah, they've got $200 on discount, meaning for $1,000, the MacBook Air. That's compelling. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about, well, Apple and headphones, and particularly Beats. I'm not a fan, but I do love this integration where they're providing the technology of the AirPods and the new Powerbeats Pro. Full wireless. Pre-orders begin on May 5th. You get your devices by May 12th. The price tag is just the crazy part, $250, but then again, that's what I pay for the Jabras that I use, which I do consider are valued at $250 given the audio quality that they have. Obviously, we'll get a pair and let you know if they're worth the money whenever they come out. You can learn more about that in the description as well. Now let's talk about Samsung as, well, we saw Apple's event, and I know I'm going to take you to the topic very soon, but you saw Apple event and you saw Apple's arcade service where they want to give you an option to be able to stream your games, sort of like what we've been seeing with the Stadia and everything. It seems that Samsung wants to do something similar. Not exactly sure what the difference is going to be. It seems it's going to be called Galaxy Play Link. This is all patents right now. Obviously, it's going to develop over time, hopefully for the time of the Note. And now let's talk about the Honor 20. We are very close to having an event in London. I definitely will be covering that event live. One of the major reasons why I'm really enthusiastic is because we've got some new leaked images, and it seems that this device brings either a periscopic camera or it just looks bluntly like the Huawei P30 Pro and P30. Either one of these two. And for me, that's an important deal because obviously Honor devices are less expensive. And for example, devices like the Honor View 20 had amazing camera technology for a much lesser price tag. So stay tuned, this is getting interesting. Those leaked images actually make it look really sleek. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Moto RAZR. Welcome Motorola to the hottest news, I think for the first time in forever, if not the first time. But the point being is, we've got some leaked renders that are apparently final. Apparently these come from an official source where they show us the design of the device, they show us the box where it comes from, and it looks like a clamshell smartphone that you can extend. It comes from a smaller phone to a larger phone. Oh my God. It definitely looks like the Moto RAZR, not the original, more like the second generation Moto RAZR that came out a couple of years later. I like everything that I see. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that this is a good idea? I think that this should be the future of foldables as well. Surely it's awesome to have a foldable tablet that becomes a phone whenever you need to, but if you have a phone that's going to be less of a footprint, unless you need it to get larger, that for me is even better, but that's just my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. And folks, as you know, the source for the Pocketnow Daily is Pocketnow.com, but boy do I wish that we had Wix back at the time when we created it. If you're interested in creating a professional website, blog, or online store without any coding knowledge, Wix offers an insane portfolio of tools for you to design something that's right for you, and it's all drag and drop, which is so practical. Or you can choose from any of the hundreds of templates they offer. Learn more about Wix in the link in the description below. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.